Tails OS merging with the Tor project. And this was sent in to me by James. So thank you for the heads up on Discord about the story. So Tails OS surprisingly was saying that the most difficult part of their expansion has been as they grow and as they are attempting to provide more services, do more things, actually being able to deal with HR stuff. So being able to take on staff, pay them, do all that back end stuff. Like they just, as a team of volunteers or as a, I guess, as a team that's still growing, like they just don't have the ability to really do that. And because they've been working so closely with the Tor project for a number of years, them combining and integrating better is something that makes a lot of sense for both of them. So I think that's cool. Like I already kind of associated like Tor and Tails because they do collaborate a lot and their stuff works really well together. So a lot of people who use Tails also use Tor within it. But obviously, if you're a hacker, you've probably heard of these before. But if not, then Tails OS is a privacy preserving OS. It's called, what is it? They use like a funny term. Amnesic. Yeah,
that's
amnesic incognito. So amnesic meaning it's by default like designed to have amnesia. It's not supposed to remember anything, and it's supposed to make it so that when you're using the system, it preserves privacy as much as possible. It's a portable distro, so it's often used by people who want a temporary system that's going to preserve their privacy as much as possible and not have any technology in it that's designed to track them. Now, naturally, Tor, which is a networking tool that allows you to build secure routes that are privacy preserving through a number of nodes to make it difficult to track your internet usage, is deeply integrated into Tails. And it makes it so you can use the Tor browser or just route all traffic through Tor in order to preserve your privacy, even though it will set up red flags on any service you try to use. So my only criticism and why I don't use it myself as a daily driver is, like if you try to use this stack, every single program that is attempting to discern whether you're an attacker or not will flag you just to be, just because why not? And you won't be able to log into normal services like Gmail without tons of challenges. And some platforms will actually completely block your traffic. So aside from all that, this is something that a lot of people use to, do research, preserve their privacy. I teach this to journalists a lot to make sure that if they're researching like an individual that might have access to, data, that they're like maybe a government official or somebody else, they're able to do that in a way that's as secure as possible. So I like to see this collaboration. I think that it's good that they're combining resources, and it means that we're probably going to see better and deeper integration of the two services. So for people who care about privacy, this seems like a big win, but I'm curious to see if anybody has any other opinions about this merger.